Here. In this video, I want to talk about the power lead system. And I had bought some traffic, I think Sunday, yeah, Sunday night. And as soon as the traffic started, my first two leads, I made a sale. Then I made another sale, but after the traffic run was done. So then I bought some traffic last night. I bought 50 clicks. And I was at work. I was on my lunch break, and I got two emails said that I had two gold members have arrived, and I'm gonna go in my email and I'll show you. But I had two gold members, and I bought traffic from the same person. So during this week, so I didn't think I wasn't really thinking about making sales. I just was just trying to generate, get leads and get them going through my funnel. And as you can see, 11:40 this morning, I got two gold members, and I got 25 leads. Capture page basically converted at 50%, and I got two gold members converting. So it seems looking like to me, anytime I get 20 20 to 30 leads, I get two signups. So just imagine if you get like hundreds of leads and it's converting like this. This is only 50 clicks. I bought 50 clicks and I got 25 leads and two sales. So out of 25 leads, I got two sales. So that's really really good, and that's telling you that this this sales funnel convert. So basically, what I'm gonna do later this week, I'm gonna buy traffic from them again, but I'm gonna buy like 150 clicks, because basically, if I can get six sales, so basically, like I paid 26. I made two sales because the gold member you get $20 each gold member. So basically, I made my money back in a little bit. So, but it's good. So we're gonna see. We're gonna test them again. I look at it like this: if I'm getting sales from this guy, I'm just gonna keep. I'm gonna keep slamming traffic to him. I'm gonna get him to keep on slamming traffic to this funnel because it seemed like they're reacting to this funnel. If I'm getting sales, I done made four sales in 2 days. It's making me think like if I buy traffic every day, every day, if, if it's nothing but 50 clicks a day, if I can get two sales every day, that's what a hundred, $140 for the week. You know what I'm saying? And that adds up, and that's not even counting the other uh, upgrades, the diamond, and they just added a new product, and that you get $1,000 commissions for this one, 400 for this one, and you get $100 commissions for the diamond. And I haven't even upgraded, but like now I'm going all in, and I'm because this income could replace my job, and that's basically why I came online, was to find build an income where it could replace my job. And I see so many people having success with this, so I figure like I already basically know how to market. And basically me, like, since I work, I do this basically by solo ad. I drive traffic because I don't really have time to like be on Facebook all day. So I do YouTube videos and I buy traffic, and I'm just gonna show my results. So basically, if you're looking for a way to make money online, or if you just want to follow me in my journey, subscribe to my channel, and like this video and share it. And that's basically it, because I've never seen, I've been online for a while, and I never seen a funnel convert like this with that so little clicks. And it's just like, what if you really like pump traffic to this, like a lot of traffic? You're gonna make like, it's gonna be some life changing money here. And I'm gonna retire from my job with this company. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Peace.